All right, this is a quick update of what's in the pipe. I've got more Model 10 HTs, more HT12s and 14s, more Model 6s, BWs, and here we're crating, so there's 10 HTs, and we got a mess of bull wheels that is very close to being done. Just got to put the shafts and the belt guards on them and the motors on them. And some more HTs that are in final test. These passed, these are yet to test. And then over here we've got a whole ton of stuff that's already done. Some flat laps here that are just finished up. And shaping machines finished final test. The hoods are going to go on them. They're going to get crated, load in the container tomorrow. And 18s, these are going for powder today. Hoods, tanks. Yep, got a nice group of those. I got more BWs back there. And this looks like high tone 14s. And more flat laps need to be assembled. More CD8s, and this looks like all our sheet metal for our CD4s. More 16s, those need ground, but they're close. These need ground. More flat laps to assemble. And this is a shipment for Australia. And 18s, these are ready to powder. And these are being ground today. These are being ground today, 16 hoods. These are done. This is done. Those are needing ground. So lots of stuff going on here. The flow is really nice and we're working hard to keep up with the demand.